Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the heavily revised 2022 Kia Stinger GT line. So for 2022, the Stinger got a nice hefty refresh, with the GT line getting the majority of the changes. How so, you might ask? It's a whole new motor. Previously powered by the 2.0 liter four-cylinder, this now has the 2.5 fitted from the K.V GT. I think it's slightly tweaked, like maybe 2 or 3 more horsepower than the GT. I think it's producing an even 300, but very, very nice car. Stinger badge on the back, different tail lights, different wheels, different exhaust tips, different exhaust system. I'm not sure if that's carried over to the GT line, but I know you can adjust the engine sound. So I think it does have some form of active exhaust. Different headlights for the GT line. And of course, the biggest change in terms of looks, the new Kia badge being fitted to all the new 2022 models. This one, Snow White Pearl over Red, total price of $42,580 as stickered. All right. Very, very nice car. Apparently we didn't, whatever, I'll leave it. We are driving it in sport mode. This is a sports sedan, of course. Good amount of power. Honestly, you can feel the difference between the 2.0 and the 2.5. And what was hilarious is I actually called it before Kia did. I filmed a 2020 GT line, or no, it was a 2021 GT line back in January of 2000. Back in this January of 2021. I was like, I wouldn't be surprised for the 2022 if they put the 2.5 liter from the K.V GT into it and kept the torque converter auto. That's exactly what they did. Because what's funny is this is the only car made it to a torque converter auto that you can get this 2.5 in. Because I believe the K.V GT is a dual clutch, the Sorento is a dual clutch, so this is the only torque converter auto you can get this in. So, the Stinger, man, it's an awesome car. The platform itself, very, very dynamic, very fun to drive. Even in the GT line trim over the normal GT. It's just overall a fun car. I've driven the Volkswagen Arteon a bunch, and even though that's a great car too, just for the money, the Stinger is where it's at. It's just a bargain for the price. It really is. And it's a shame they're getting rid of it for 2023. It's really a shame. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.